2 months ago was when I first started using social media, and I realized how tedious it was to have my content pushed up to multiple platforms. So I decided to build TabbyTap to help content creators like yourself reach a wider group of audience with ease. So this is part 8 of me documenting my journey on creating TabbyTap from scratch. So in part 7, we talked about completing the authentication flow for TabbyTap. So now that we have an entryway into the application, I'm starting to look at integrating platforms, starting with TikTok. However, looking at the documentation from TikTok, I'm still missing 4 major pieces before I can get started with it. First, a terms of service page. Second, a privacy policy page. Third, a publicly available URI for TikTok to reach my server. So I think the first 2 parts are going to be relatively easy to create. I'll probably just use a template generator for terms of service and privacy policy, edit it a little bit, and I'll have a page up and going. Now the difficult part is getting my redirect URI. So previously I tried to use Fly.io to host my server and that went sideways. So I'm looking at a new service provider called Hetzner, and I have no idea how to use this, and it requires me to learn Dockers as well.
Hi guys, so while working on deploying my server to Hetzner, I think I found a simpler solution, and that is using VS Code's built-in port forwarding function. So what this does is it provides me a HTTPS URL that will forward requests to my local server. So I think this is exactly what I need. Now try going down this route and hopefully TikTok will accept it and we can proceed with further development work. So the things that I've been working on with Hetzner, it is not wasted effort because eventually I will have to deploy my server to a live environment anyway. So it's going to get this figured out and sorted early on, and there won't be new surprises when I actually need to get it up and running.
So I will keep you guys posted once I have more updates. I'll see you guys again in part 9.